I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates finally moved lower on Tuesday after 5 days of increases. The reversal was assisted by renewed concerns in Europe about the Greek financial bailout plan and a successful Treasury auction of U.S. 3-year T-notes. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 5% with 2 3/8 points, reversing Monday's 3/8 of a point rise for a savings of $375 on a $100,000 loan. But compared to a week earlier, the 5% rate still carries a point total, which is 3/4 of a point higher for an extra cost of $750 on a $100,000 loan. If you had been a subscriber to my low-cost, real-time Rate Alert Now service, you may have been able to lock your rate before the very expensive rate increase occurred. The 5 3/8% rate is at 1/8 of 1 point, also down 3/8 of a point from the previous trading day. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was down as well, with the 4 3/8% rate at 1 7/8 points. It had been at 1 1/4 points last Tuesday, which means it now costs an extra $625 to obtain the same rate on a $100,000 loan. The 4 5/8% rate is at 5/8 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service? Less than $1 a day. The minutes of last month's Federal Reserve meeting showed the members were subdued about the outlook for the economy because of high unemployment and a challenging real estate market. Today, we will see the results of the $21 billion U.S. 10-year Treasury note auction. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here later today for my next free mortgage rate update.